Hello friends, today I'll review Reliance Glimmer nail polish, and as you know, nail trend polishes are going out of the shelves and Reliance has introduced this new range of polishes by the name of Glimmer, and there are many versions of this polish. Some are Diva, some are Jewel and some are simple creme polishes. So I'm going to review my top 5 favorite glitter polishes from this Glimmer collection. The first one is 133S Champagne Gold. This is a very shimmery gold polish and this is how it looks in room light, and look at it under sunlight. It is a gorgeous color. It is a little sheer and you have to apply 3 to 4 layers to get the full coverage, but you can use this polish as a top coat and get some glitter over plain creme polishes. I've already applied the first coat and this is the second layer that I'm applying. You can see it is not a very thick polish, but after 3 to 4 coats you get a nice finish. So this is the second coat. Very glimmery, very glittery. And this is the third coat. This polish is awesome for the festival season or for weddings. You know, Indian weddings, they have a lot of gold and red color, so this is a really good polish for those occasions. See how it shines in the sunlight. My second polish that I like is this Royal Blue 153L, and this is how it looks under sunlight. It's a beautiful blue polish with particles of pinkish purplish glitter bits, and this is one of my favorite polishes. It takes a little bit longer to dry if you are using it for nail art, but that's okay. This is the first layer that I'm applying. This is also slightly sheer, but you can do with 2 coats. This is the first layer, and now after applying the second layer, this is how it looks under the sun. A bit difficult to show you. See, when direct sunlight falls on it, you can see all the different shades of particles that it has. It's a very pretty color. It actually looks prettier in real. The next one is this 144S Pink Gold polish, and this is my favorite and also my daughter's favorite polish. Just look at it gleam under the sunlight. It's a highly reflective polish. It has so much glitter that it looks like shining stars on your nails. Very tiny glittery particles, and it has a very good shine. So I have already applied the first layer on my nails and it's very sheer, and this is the second layer. But one good thing about this polish is that you can use it for doing nail art, and you can use it as a top coat in various nail art designs. This is the second layer and I applied 3 layers. The third one is this one. 4 coats would be better, I think, but I applied only 3 coats. And when the polish dries up, just see how pretty it looks. This is how it looks under the sun. Very beautiful, a very shiny polish. This pink polish is a must-have. You can simply apply 1 layer of this polish over a pink creme polish and you will get a very beautiful glittery pink polish. This is the next polish that I am going to review. It is a black glimmer polish 130B, and just look at this beautiful polish. It has green rounded glitter particles and it looks very beautiful, but in the room light it just appears black, but under the sunlight just look at it gleam. In fact, I feel it looks better in real life and my camera couldn't capture the real beauty of this polish. This is also one of my favorite deeper glimmer polishes, and this is the second layer that I have applied, and 2 layers are enough. because it is a bit thicker. And just look at it under the sun. You can see those green glitter bits shining through the black polish, and I just love this polish. Very pretty, very beautiful, and this is also a must-have for those who like deeper shades of polish. And now coming to my last nail polish, which is again a golden polish Aurum 100S. This is a, I would say, a pastely gold polish, and this has very fine glitter particles. This polish does not have those big glitter particles, but a very fine glittery feel, and look at it shine under the sun. Very beautiful polish. And this is a finer polish. This is not the Diva collection. This is the Glimmer Jewel polish, and I like this polish, and this was actually the first polish that I bought. This is the first layer that I'm applying. The first layer is always quite sheer for all these polishes, but 2 to 3 layers are sufficient for this polish also. And this is the second layer, and this is the third layer. And you can see it is something like the first polish that I've shown, but it does not have those chunkier glitter bits. It's quite fine, and it is a muted gold polish. And this is a perfect polish for any striping tape nail art where you want the base color to shine through. And this is also one of my favorite polishes. Just look at it shine in the sun. Another beautiful polish. So all in all, these are my top 5 picks from the Reliance Glimmer Polish collection. These are the 3 pastel shades that I chose. You can see the difference between the 2 gold polishes, and these 2 are the deeper shades, blue and greenish polishes. And that's all that I have for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.